Can a marriage on stamp paper really be considered null and void? A judge's shocking verdict has left the legal world reeling. The court held that a contractual marriage on stamp paper is a legal nullity under Hindu law. Strict proof of solemnization of the first marriage is mandatory for a prosecution for bigamy under Section 494 of the IPC. The status of husband under Section 498A IPC cannot be fastened upon a party where the union is legally non-existent ab initio. A contractual marriage on stamp paper is a legal nullity under Hindu law. It lacks the legal alchemy required to transform cohabitation into matrimony. While discharging a man booked in case registered under sections 494 and 498 of the IPC, the Calcutta High Court has delivered a landmark judgment on the validity of contractual marriages on stamp paper. The court held that such a marriage is a legal nullity under Hindu law, and that strict proof of solemnization of the first marriage is mandatory for a prosecution for bigamy under Section 494 of the IPC. The case involved a de facto complainant who claimed that her relationship with the petitioner was transformed into a matrimonial bond in 2011, with the parties cohabiting for 3 years. However, the complainant alleged that the petitioner induced her into a belief of marital security, only to enter into a formal, registered marriage with another woman. The court referred to statutory mandates under Sections 5 and 7 of the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955, to explain that a marriage by signature on an agreement paper is a mode of union unrecognized under the Act. The court stated that such a contractual marriage is a legal nullity, lacking the legal alchemy required to transform cohabitation into matrimony. The judgment has significant implications for matrimonial jurisprudence, highlighting the importance of distinguishing between a socially recognized cohabitation and a legally solemnized marriage. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.